Hey traders, this is Jeff with ZenTrader.ca with a market update. Let's start off with the Nasdaq. You can see here we struggled in this area of resistance and we sold off. I would say all is not lost with this chart just yet. You've got this inverse head and shoulder pattern on the 60-minute chart. It hasn't technically quite failed yet, but if we have another day like today, it will this will be invalidated. I mean, this is a mess, but even after today, this could find some support and start to head back up. But with what I'm seeing with the sectors and everything in general, I'm not optimistic, but I'm not immune to to pay attention to this. You never want to get too bearish. One chart that I'm quite bearish on is the TSX composite. There was this diamond bottoming pattern. It broke out and it was just smacked down. And this is invalidated. And this is a good example of when a chart has a particular pattern setting up and it appears to be following through as it did here, and then when the selling kicks in and it invalidates that chart pattern, watch out. You're just going to get, this is just a watershed decline in the TSX. This is very bearish. And with what I'm seeing in the commodities and the miners in general, I'm bearish on those as well. And that kind of plays into this weakness in the TSX since it's so heavily laden with commodities. I just want to go quickly to this post I did on June 4th, so two weeks ago, when I said that 48 should be just about it in GDX. If you look at the 60-minute chart, here's 48, and every time it got above 48, it just got rejected. It couldn't sustain it. It couldn't sustain a close above there. And today, a lower high from June, from the top that it made in June, and it gapped down, sold off. So I'm looking for this to head back down, and maybe I'll start to cover. Well, actually, I did cover one of my, or was it just half of one of my gold miner positions? I think I think I sold the strongest performer that I had, because I want to keep the weaker ones, because those are the ones that are doing what I expected miners to do in the beginning. So I'll be looking to really cover some of my positions. Hopefully, $3-4 down here, maybe around 41.25 ish. We'll have to kind of wait and see how the general markets go. But 48 so far looks to be a top in the GDX. Oops, let me go back to silver. Silver is testing support. Every time it touches it, it weakens it. Kind of closed. I haven't extended this line over, so we'll see if it can make another bounce off of that. But every time it touches that support, it weakens it. I'm looking for silver to eventually bottom somewhere down around the 20-21 level. We'll have to kind of wait and see if it gets down there. It's going to take a while. It's not going to go straight down. Gold, another lower high here. If it takes out these lows, which I don't have drawn here, but it's right around 1523 to 1530-ish. That would be where support is on gold, about 36 points lower than where it closed today. It was just a brutal day in gold. And if you're a gold bull, you don't want to know where I think gold is going, but I think we're going to settle somewhere around 1300 level. We'll have to wait and see if that happens. The volatility obviously picked up 16.5% today, but it's nowhere near. This is high fear, so this is an area where you would want to consider exiting your shorts. We're nowhere near that right now. And I think that's pretty much all the markets I wanted to cover. I just kind of wanted to touch upon some of the things and see where we may be going on some of these charts. So hope everybody had a good day trading today. Talk to you later.